So now see here, N1 is equal to N2, thus equal volume of all gases under identical conditions. Identical conditions means pressure, volume and temperature remain same, would contain same number of molecules. This is called Avogadro's hypothesis. So actually this part here we have shown here N1 is equal to N2. With the help of this, Avogadro's just given an hypothesis, and according to Avogadro's, every gas or for any gas we can take here. If you are taking any gas, or that is 22.4 liters of any gas, 22.4 liters of any gas at NTP. NTP means the normal temperature and pressure. So normal temperature is actually 273 Kelvin and pressure is here 1 atmospheres. So according to Avogadro's hypothesis, every gas of this one of 22.4 liters at normal temperature and pressure contains same number of atoms or molecules, and that atoms are given is equal to here 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23, and this is called Avogadro's number. So this is about Avogadro's hypothesis and Avogadro's number.